Fun. Let's see what's in the box. All right, so first we get a nice cool magazine. Christina Applegate is on it, and it kind of tells you everything that's inside and all the cool products that you can get from the FabFitFun store, and cool recipes and things and articles. All right. Oh, look at that, horoscopes. All right. I know what I'm going to be reading this weekend. All right, so we got this Vince Camuto purse, and it's vegan. Okay. What else do we got? We have this teapot. That looks pretty nifty. Check that out. All right. It's pretty sweet. I've never had a teapot, so that'll be my first. But then we got these Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. Okay. Deoxy. Green tea leaf. Okay. We'll see how these come out. I'll keep you guys posted. Beauty blender. Okay, the original. Alright, so makeup sponge. I'm down with that. Next we have this Grown Alchemist Botanical Beauty Hydra-Restore Cream Cleanser. Okay, made from olive leaf and Plantago extract. Okay, I'm not familiar with that, but I'll check it out. I know olive leaf has a lot of antioxidants in it, so we'll see how that is. Let me see how it looks. Let's open that up, shall we? Oh, let's check that out. See how that feels. Nice clean scent. Put that on there for now. We got some wireless earbuds. I could get down with that. Go to the gym with that maybe. And then after the gym, check it out. What do? Detox bath. I'm all set for that in my jacuzzi. Post-practice relaxing soak ritual. Sea salts, goji berry extracts. All right. I can't wait for this. Yes. And then what's this? Tea towels. To wipe up the mess you make with your tea. Just kidding. It's simply whimsical towels. Okay, kitchen towels. Blue and Capri shower gel with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. Oh, wow. Let's see how this smells. Oh, look at that. Oh, this smells heavenly. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely use this tonight. Nice floral scent. Definitely smelling that sage. Alright, what else do we have up in here? We got this. Luna Rica cashew butter filled fruit and nut bar. USDA organic, gluten free. Okay. Salted caramel nut. Alright, so this has 170 calories. Okay, so that'll be a nice like post-workout snack or something. I think that's it. Let's double check. Yeah, I think that's it. We just talked about this. So then that is the charger for the earbuds. And we got a few coupons. Sweet. Check it out. I got some coupon codes for you down below, so make sure you like and subscribe.